Porsche Classic has partnered with New York-based fashion brand Aimé Leon Dore to restore and customize a Porsche 993 Turbo, marking the fifth collaboration between the two brands. This iconic 1990 sports car, the Laster-cooled turbocharged model from Porsche, takes inspiration from the Turbo S, incorporating aerodynamic enhancements, a quad-exit exhaust system, and rear fender air intakes. The car features a mulberry green exterior with gold-accented 18 alloy wheels and bespoke Michelin Pilot Sport PS2 tires. The interior is upholstered in dark brown leather and wool, with design elements extending to the dark green seat shells. The Porsche and ALD logos appear on the steering wheel and headrests, while the door sills display ALD's motto, a team from out of Queens with the American dream. Accompanying the project is an exclusive capsule collection by ALD, including lifestyle pieces such as the club leather jacket in Mulberry Green, available through ALD stores and the Porsche Design Store in Beverly Hills. Unlike the car, which remains a one-off, the collection will be available for purchase